Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with the top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are so incredible. From cutting-edge tech to everyday brilliance, these gadgets are sure to elevate your lifestyle. Let's jump into it. 9. AZ8 Pyramid PC. The AZ8 Pyramid PC is a striking and innovative computer case that redefines traditional PC design with its distinctive pyramid-shaped architecture. Designed to be both functional and visually impressive, the Pyramid PC stands out in any setup, whether at home or in a professional environment. The AZ8 Pyramid PC features a unique triangular prism shape, which not only serves as a bold aesthetic statement, but also optimizes airflow and thermal management. This design allows for efficient cooling of internal components, crucial for maintaining high performance during intensive tasks such as gaming or content creation. The case is constructed from high-quality materials, often utilizing tempered glass panels and robust metal frameworks. 8. Air Omni, a 6-in-1 charging station. The Air Omni is a multifunctional charging station that sets itself apart with its versatility and sleek design. Designed by Pitaka, known for their innovative approach to tech accessories, the Air Omni serves as a comprehensive solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. It features a cleverly integrated design that accommodates up to 6 devices at once, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and even true wireless earbuds. What makes the Air Omni unique is its ability to charge devices using a variety of methods. It includes 3 wireless charging spots that support Ki-enabled devices, allowing for convenient and cable-free charging experiences. Additionally, the station incorporates 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, catering to devices that require traditional cable connections for charging. The Air Omni also functions as a versatile stand. 7. Red 5's UFO. Red 5's UFO conjures an intriguing blend of mystery and technological wonder. Imagining Red 5 as a secretive military designation, possibly derived from fictional or real-world contexts where such code names denote advanced aerial assets, adds layers of intrigue. The term UFO, traditionally standing for unidentified flying object, takes on a new dimension here. In this context, Red 5's UFO could suggest a highly classified aircraft prototype or a cutting-edge drone equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance or combat capabilities. Such a craft would likely embody next-generation stealth and maneuverability designed for missions demanding utmost discretion and efficiency, perhaps inspired by science fiction where Red 5 might echo iconic references like Luke Skywalker's call sign in Star Wars. The concept blends futuristic innovation with tactical prowess. Imagine this UFO seamlessly integrating advanced avionics, artificial intelligence, and stealth technologies, surpassing current capabilities to redefine aerial superiority. 6. Jabra Panacast Cam. The Jabra Panacast Cam is a state-of-the-art video conferencing camera designed to revolutionize the way meetings are conducted in modern workplaces. With its sleek and compact design, the Panacast Cam integrates cutting-edge technology to deliver an immersive and inclusive meeting experience. One of its stand-up features is the 180-degree panoramic field of view, which ensures that all participants in a room are captured clearly and without distortion. This wide field of view eliminates the need for awkward repositioning of the camera or multiple devices, making it ideal for huddle rooms or small meeting spaces where maximizing space efficiency is key. The Panacast Cam leverages advanced video stitching algorithms to seamlessly blend multiple video streams into a single cohesive image. This results in a natural and distortion-free panoramic view, allowing remote participants to feel as if they are physically present in the meeting room. The camera also supports 4K resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed video quality that enhances visual clarity and communication. 5. Smart Pill Dispenser Machine. The Smart Pill Dispenser Machine represents a revolutionary advancement in healthcare technology designed to enhance medication adherence and patient well-being. At its core, this innovative device integrates cutting-edge automation with intelligent monitoring capabilities, aiming to mitigate the challenges often associated with managing medication schedules. The Smart Pill Dispenser operates with precision and reliability. It systematically organizes medications into compartments, each designated for specific times and dosages, effectively eliminating the risk of human error in dosage calculations or timing. This feature is particularly crucial for patients with complex medication regimens or those prone to forgetfulness, ensuring they receive their medications exactly as prescribed. 4. Borut V10 Flashlight. The Borut V10 flashlight stands out as a versatile and robust lighting solution designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and emergency responders alike, with a maximum brightness output ranging from 1000 to 1200 lumens. Depending on the model, the Borut V10 ensures exceptional visibility in diverse environments. Whether you're navigating dark trails, setting up camp at night, or preparing for emergencies, this flashlight provides powerful illumination that cuts through darkness effectively. One of its key features is the adjustable lighting modes, including high, medium, low strobe, and SOS modes. This versatility allows users to tailor the brightness level to different situations, from lighting up a wide area to focusing on distant objects with its zoomable focus capability. 3. Retro Fighters Hunter. The Retro Fighters Hunter is a unique gaming controller designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch console, offering a blend of modern functionality with a nostalgic retro-inspired design. It caters to gamers who appreciate classic gaming aesthetics, but desire contemporary features for enhanced gameplay experiences. One of the stand-up features of the Retro Fighters Hunter is its ergonomic design, which draws inspiration from classic gaming controllers while incorporating modern improvements. The controller's shape and button layout are reminiscent of controllers from retro gaming consoles, providing a comfortable grip and intuitive feel that's familiar to longtime gamers. The Retro Fighters Hunter boasts robust build quality, featuring durable materials that ensure longevity and reliability during intense gaming sessions. This durability is complemented by responsive buttons and analog sticks, which provide precise control and smooth movement, crucial for both casual and competitive gaming. 2. ESC Flip Pro. The ESC Flip Pro is a compact and innovative handheld device designed specifically for travelers and language enthusiasts alike. It serves as a versatile tool for overcoming language barriers with ease, offering a range of features that make communication effortless and efficient. One of the stand-up features of the ESC Flip Pro is its ability to provide instant two-way translation between multiple languages. 1. Tesson 65W International Charge Adapter. The Tesson 65W International Charge Adapter is a versatile and essential travel accessory designed to meet the diverse charging needs of modern travelers. Whether you're globetrotting for business or exploring new destinations for pleasure, this adapter ensures that you can power up your devices efficiently and safely wherever you go. One of the stand-up features of the Tesson 65W adapter is its universal compatibility. It supports a wide range of input voltages, 100-240 VAC, making it suitable for use in most countries around the world. This flexibility means you can confidently pack it for trips to Europe, Asia, North America, and beyond without worrying about voltage differences or incompatible outlets. And there you have it, top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are so incredible, more enjoyable, and definitely more tech-savvy. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of innovation.